Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chicken spaghetti with vegetables. In a bowl I will take 3 teaspoons of corn flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, a little bit of black pepper to taste. I took like around half teaspoon of it. And then I will add a pinch of baking soda and 1 large egg. We're gonna mix it all together nicely. Here I have 1 chicken breast. I cut that in 1-inch cubes of chicken, and we're gonna add that into the mixture and mix them all together nicely. Now we are going to deep fry it. We're gonna fry it for 5 to 7 minutes or until they are tender, and then we're gonna take them out on a piece of tissue paper or paper towel. Now I will keep half cup of oil in the same pan, and where I fried the chicken I'm gonna add my vegetables, some spring onions, it's like half cup red, yellow and orange bell peppers. We're gonna stir fry them nicely, and then we're gonna add our chicken into the vegetables. Stir fry, stir fry, stir fry. Stir fry everything for 1 minute, and then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and we're gonna mix everything nicely. You can also increase the quantity of the spices as you like. Half teaspoon of black pepper. I will be adding half teaspoon of Ajinomoto and half teaspoon of table salt. You can of course adjust the spices, mix everything together. Now add the green part of the spring onion, mix it together. We're gonna add our spaghetti. The last time mix everything nicely, and here it is. It's all ready. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot for me. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.